Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the gift card code in front of you. Typing mistakes waste time. Once signed in, navigate straight to account payment methods or vouchers. Make sure the app is updated so the voucher field appears. Older versions hide features. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you're in the one you'll order from. Now tap Add Voucher or Add Payment and be ready to enter the code exactly, including dashes if shown, because formatting can matter. Once your basket is set, move to Checkout and review the full total so you know how much the voucher must cover. At Payment, choose Pay with Voucher or Add Gift Card. This is where the code belongs. Paste or type the code, then hit Apply. You'll see the total update immediately if it's accepted. If partial, the remaining balance shows, and you can add another card or a card payment. Keep receipts and note remaining voucher balance for future orders. Finish the order by confirming the payment. If the voucher didn't cover everything, add a card for the remainder and confirm. If the code fails, pause and check 3 things: expiry date, correct characters versus similar ones, O versus 0, and region restrictions. Vouchers sometimes lock to countries. If problems persist, take a screenshot, copy the error text, and contact Just Eat support with your order ID and the gift code. This speeds resolution and can prevent double charges.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.